Okay, we back. We on the 636. Shit. Alright, so a lot of people been asking me if they should start on a 600 or if it's a good idea. So let me talk about that. Oh fuck, I shifted up. But yeah, if you want to start on 600, I'd say you have to have discipline with the throttle. If you don't, I'd say start on 300, 400, or 500. But don't get a 600 if you're in a, like, as soon as you get on the bike, you're gonna want to rip it. Like, if your first thought when you get on the bike is you want to go wide open, yeah, I don't think you should get a 600. Any super sport for that matter. But yeah, like, if you're someone that's bigger, or that you know, like, you're just on a ride, like, to enjoy it, I'd say you could get a 600. Like, if you just like being out here, I'd say you could start on a 600. I mean, that's what I started on. I can't really say much. Cause I don't ride like to go fast. Like, my main focus isn't fucking hitting the throttle. It's just to be out here. I like being around, and it's a cheap way to have fun too. I put $10 in the tank. I'm out here all day. Ooh, what car is that? A Buick? Ew. Thought it was an Alpha. I stand corrected. Oh shit, good. Is that a V6 convertible? Oh shit. Come on, brah. Brakes are squeaky as fuck. Knock up, knock up. Turn green, man. Lights around here be taking 2 hours. Turn green? Yeah. Pop. Oh shit, nice Gladiator. Badass deals. What the fuck? What the? Bikes are outside today. But yeah, honestly, 600 is like, in my opinion, it was my best like option, because I wanted something I could keep like forever. And while I'm paying it, so I'm paying it off in payments, so kind of trying to build my credit with it. And something that I could keep for a long time will obviously help me with that. Will make it easier of a decision. But like, also if you feel like it's like if something's gonna be too much power, because some of these, like, they do have power. If you feel it's gonna be too much power and you feel like you're gonna fall off or something, like you're not secure with it yet, I say you should start on a 400 or a 300. Beep 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 beep. I squeaked through there. Good California law. Oh, it's getting turn green. Full ran the light. Like, see right there, it came up a little. Just from me trying to get up to speed. But yeah, like if you feel like you're not comfortable with that happening every once in a while, the bike coming up from like how much like power it's putting out. Oh shit. Nice ass Denali. What? Bro, I have money. I think nice. Nah, but yeah, like if you're not comfortable with that, like if that is gonna happen, because it most likely will, mostly if you're lighter. Oh shit, it's rolling coal. If you're lighter, it's like more of a, it's more likely gonna happen. Me, I'm a heavy ass dude, and it still comes up on me. But yeah, it's honestly just like up to what you feel like you'll be able to handle, and like what you're looking for in a bike. If you want like just something that's like comfortable, that you can ride every day, and that's like good on gas, maybe get like a 300 or like an adventure bike or a naked bike. Those are like more of a comfortable seating position, because these are more aggressive. I'm more lean forward than you would be on any other bike. Like an adventure bike, you're standing straight up, while you're basically sitting upright. So if you have back problems and shit like that, that's probably better. But if you want like something sporty, you could take to the mountains, you know, go around, do freeway speeds at least. You could get like a 300 or 400. And well, it's up to you whether you want to get it like brand new or a used one. Honestly, if you're gonna get a like a 600, I say you get it brand new, because the braking period really helps you like get used to the bike. Because you obviously can't go over a certain amount of speed in the braking period, and that takes like at least, like at the quickest you could do it, it'll take you like a week. A week of just going like 50 or 60 miles an hour at most. So that like helps you like want to practice your cornering, stuff like that. Like me, that's what I use the braking period on this one for. I was just practicing everything. Since I couldn't go fast. Since I couldn't go fast, I was just practicing everything. Hey, sorry, car. Quick shift. Nah, but yeah, newer ones, they like help you ease into it, because you basically have to, or else you're gonna blow that fucking bike up. If you start wanting to go 100 miles an hour your first day with a new bike, yeah, it's gonna go all bad for you. Warranty's gonna be gone. Something might blow up. Because what I've noticed is like some bikes, like the dealers, they'll put like trackers on it for the braking, and they'll tell you that you have to take it in into that dealer, or like that, or like they'll offer you a free first service, so that you do take it. Cause some brands like having trackers on it, so that they could tell whether you were like actually sticking to the break-in rules or like not. Honestly, I recommend you stick to them because these service bills are not cheap. Obviously, it's gonna be cheaper than a car, but still not cheap. And they're not even that much cheaper than a car. Ah, man. Goddamn Tahoe. Goddamn Tahoe. What the fuck, Tahoe? Oh, hell no! It's the rolling toaster! Cybertruck. Turn this way. Why not? Is that a 5-0? Yes it is. I like the color. Has like a pearl to it. Like a flake in the red. Look good. Bike hot. Bike hot, bike get turned off. Oh man, no green? Please don't rear-end me, people. We on rich side of my city. This side no, me no belong here. Yep, I know that show's gonna do that. Ah! Do a U-turn so I could go the other way. Oh shit, no hammer. You can't even see it. Orange new Hummer. Yeah. Oh hell no. Bro pushing the gas here. But look, new Hummer. Oh shit. Never mind, it's not green. This fool scared me. Every time I have it in right here, it always doesn't want us to turn on the first one. So I have to hold it so it could turn on. Because if not, it just dies. Just falls flat on its face and it's like, nah, I'm gonna turn off. Don't rear end me, cuz. Oh shit. Beepity beepity. U-turn. Beepity beepity. No need to go fast. Oh. What cars are out today? What the fuck? Bro going to the lake. Oh shit, that shit fast. Nah. Nah. What the hell? Turn red. Hello cars. Hello bus. I didn't even realize that Accord was there. Is that a 5 Series? Is that an M5? Oh shit! M5. Nice. Another 5 Series. Oh, an M5 too. Okay, I'm stupid. Whoa. Why is daylight green and mine not? How hot is she? Damn! Yeah, she gonna stay off, good. She is not finna stay on with that much temps, cuz. Shit crazy. And it's still green. I'll just go kill myself, bro. Please. Oh man! X6. I just be car spotting for real. What the fuck? Why is blood on my hands? What did I do? Oh man. Get off my ass. Oh, my balls. Why I keep scooting forward? It just hurts, man. It's green. Yeah, green. What you doing, cuz? Oh, no. Not on phone. Phone bad. Oh, shit. 8 Series. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm gonna go track that one down. Oh man, a red light. Fuck. Oh, I need to slow down, man. Was going too fast. My bad. Turn red. Turn red. Oh yes, thank you, cars. I wanna go see the Porsche, man. That's just gonna be gone. Damn it. I too slow. Run. I don't know if there's a cop behind me, so I'm not gonna go fast. Where the Porsche at, man? Please be a red light. Please be at the red. Oh no, he's in front. Yeah, I'm cooked. I ain't seeing shit. What the fuck? I think we're clean, but I want the Porsche. Where'd the Porsche go? Oh, it turned green. Yeah, he gone. EUV. Ow. Not a nice car in there, man. Oh man, I thought it was in there. I guess they don't have supercars in there today. Yeah, it probably went straight. Too late for that one, man. Oh, you probably went to a Porsche dealer. Yeah, I'm stupid. I wonder where it's at, though. Oh, it's right there. Oop. Bad downshift. My weeks. Oh, fuck. Ooh. Bah. Bah. Maybach. Stinger. Green. I tired. I sleep now. Nah. Oh. Oh man. Nah. Y'all just look down. Don't hit me, girl. Why is there so many random 5 Series? Oh. Ah. Slow. PPD. But yeah, I'll come back later.